In CreateDirect 4.0, you can mirror parts, subassemblies, as well as the entire loaded assembly. A new tool, Component Mirror, automates the creation of a mirrored subassembly and is useful for assemblies with symmetric design. To create a mirrored component, you specify the plane of symmetry by selecting an existing datum plane or by creating a new one. CreateDirect 4.0 also features datum creation in the assembly environment, so you can create an assembly datum plane to use as the mirror plane in the mirror component operation. When mirroring a component, you can click Create a new model to create a new model containing the mirror geometry and then specify a new name and common name for that model. To avoid creating new models unnecessarily, select the Perform Symmetry Analysis checkbox. When you select Perform Symmetry Analysis, there's an automatic attempt to reuse the selected components if symmetry considerations allow. Under Options, there are additional checkboxes to control whether quills, datums, or curves are included in the symmetry analysis in addition to solid geometry. Instead of creating a new model, you can also force reuse of the selected model independently of symmetry considerations. In that case, a new occurrence of the selected component is placed in the mirrored location. In both cases, the resulting component is assembled into the currently active subassembly or assembly. For quick visual feedback, you can select the Preview checkbox to turn on display of a graphical preview of the mirrored component. When mirroring a subassembly using the Create New Model option, click Advanced to control and determine the specific action, positioning method, and name for each of the involved parts and subassemblies. Available actions include Mirror Geometry, Reuse, Reuse Mirror Twin, and Exclude, which you can select from the list in the component table. To apply the same action for several components, select the components, right-click and select an action, or select an action from the top-level menu. From there, you can also rerun the symmetry analysis for the selected components only, or choose to apply the reuse action for symmetric components. Also note that the graphics window provides a preview for the entire operation along with filtering options.